You can't turn on the server like right now, right? Shit,
My
okay.
laptop's gonna sabog.
What's happening?
Yo, where's the shield? Okay, I think I got it. Nah, that's not it. Pala. I think it's it.
Whoa.
Oh my god, thank you! Oh my
Yo.
god! Nah, I don't need that.
Nah, I got my most expensive fruit. Here.
All my bamboos are giving me 19 million, bro. All my bamboos are giving me 19 million. Oh, yeah.
Andre, come here. I'm gonna give you my plan.
Dude, my ping is 10,000 average, bro.
Guys, RIP to my bamboo. They're gonna disappear now.
R.I.P. to my band.
Are you smart? Are you smart?
Oh! Bee swarm!
Oh.
Oh,
What is happening? What?
Bro,
What?
Yo, I sold like most
Yo,
of my
guys, you
items.
can get Ember Lil.
What the heck?
Cauliflower?
Why is he gray?
What the Sigma?
Yo,
I'm not
prickly,
getting
Oh,
any.
prickly pear.
Oh,
Low
summer
quad.
stock now available.
What?
Oh,
Yo, I'm gonna get cauliflower.
oh, running now.
Yo, wait, there's a new event, right? What is it? What event is it? What event is it?
Summer.
Are y'all seeing the cutscene? Are y'all seeing the cutscene?
Yeah.
What cutscene,
What is that?
Rosalino?
Get the night egg.
Is that a
There was a
banana?
cutscene.
Is that a
Yo, I just got it
banana?
right now.
Is that a pineapple? There's a freaking pear.
Yo, Jandalee.
Jandalino.
Jandali.
Wait, I'm gonna turn on my camera.
Bro, Jandali.
Bro, it's
Oh,
out of stock.
I got sunflower.
Bro's on vacation. Bro's on vacation.
Cauliflower.
Kiwi.
Oh.
Brownie.
Oh.
What is your
This good,
face going?
this
What is
good.
your face
Wow.
What?
Kiwi? That's pretty,
What is a
I don't
kiwi?
know. Oh,
I just tried to explain my sad, my devastating medical condition.
What's this?
Yes.
And none of them understood what I said.
Yo, Bochalino, can you shut up real quick?
I'm gonna tell you people
Can you stop about
Brozilla.
the
Yo,
words that
Brozilla.
are gonna come out of my mouth.
Yo,
are
Eric,
too
can you stop on real
complex
quick?
I'm
for
coming here, Mom.
your understanding.
Yo, bro, yo, Stefan, can you like shut up, Brochalino, please?
What is your background?
This medical condition has ruined my life for the 20 minutes that I
Yo,
had
just say-
for.
Just act like that in like
Don't you
like,
understand?
class. Yo, can you just act like that in speech class?
You don't understand how
I think I understand everything.
medical condition it's the
Yeah,
best.
Space Simulator.
Yo,
Is
wait.
it like Kiwi or not?
On like the event shop, is there anything good on it?
Yay, one more
Sugar apple.
Oh, yo, sugar apple.
No, it's not on stock.
Apple.
Sugar apples on top?
apple.
Your garden has become mute. What?
Sugar
What?
Sugar apple.
What?
My
What?
Having this medical condition it's not easy for you.
I can feel that you have a mechanation.
Now I'm gonna tell you the name of this sad medical condition again.
Pro Mechanation.
Unfortunately, it's called wanting to piss
Old
syndrome.
item.
What?
Can you, Stefan, bro?
Now, I'm gonna stand up for this because the words that are gonna come out of my mouth
Stand up
are
and show
too
me your
complex.
Someone stand up and show you me.
You people understanding. You people can't comprehend the words that are gonna be coming out of my mouth.
Ew.
How about I come in your mouth?
Where did the other part of my camera go? I smacked my camera with this metal bar. Now I can't find the half of my camera.
Your fault.
Oh.
Bro,
Well, what is cauliflower, bro? What is a prickly pear?
I don't know.
What the hell is all this shit?
Hey,
Bro?
I don't know.
Bro, where is the good stuff?
Y'all
bro?
understand? I just lost the other side of my camera.
You suck my dingling.
What happened to my plan?
Please just suck my dingling.
My nigli.
It's only 1K.
It took a long time.
Yo, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Oh, bro.
It's non-stop right now.
Your Shane is so laggy, bro.
What?
Oh, no, I think I'm lagging.
Give me
Oh,
candy blossom
I'm
seed.
like teleporting around.
Are
Okay.
you smart?
Blossom seed.
World record.
Then. Oh wait.
I'ma sell all my bamboos.
There you happy now.
I'ma
And
sell
the
all my
blossom.
bamboos. Rest in peace.
Oh.
Yo, I'm so laggy, bro. I can't even get my bamboos.
Oh wait, we gotta give shit
Aw.
towards like the thingy, for the summer harvest.
Nah.
I'm so laggy.
Nah, bro. Bro, why isn't there good stock, bro? I keep getting carrots.
Hey.
Yo, why do I have 90,000 ping on average?
Why do I have 90,000 pounds?
Yo, Mateo, can you stuff on?
Exactly, bro. Can this Mateo savant, bro? Can this Mateo savant?
My average ping is like 400.
Bro, my
Y'all
ping
get
is like
ping?
nice, bro.
Y'all get ping, bro? Y'all get ping? Ew.
Ingo, wait.
I got negative 1 for some
You
reason.
wanna get gooned on? Mateo, you wanna get gooned on, bro?
Nah, I think not.
Think not.
Sure.
Nah, I think
Why is
not.
there coconuts inside of my mga things? I think the same normal. I think
Oh my god.
I'm selling everything I have. I'm selling everything I have.
Yo, wait, I
Yo,
found this mod.
this beanstalk at so malaki. With the master speaker also. Oh my god.
Master Spinker.
Bro, what's the other side of my
Hey guys,
thingy, bro?
I got this from my egg. Is this good?
Hey guys, I
No.
got hey guys.
No!
It's very
I
bad.
got a fucking snail from the bug egg. Bro.
Oh.
How do you get a bug
The
egg?
best. You buy it.
Bro, what the
Yeah, you
heck?
buy it.
You buy it. Gotta buy it.
What does Bunny do?
That's
What? Yo, wait, what do we do in the summer harvest? What do we do?
Yo, this is a massive pollination, bro.
I'm trying to
Yo.
Hey
get
guys, what does Rabbit do? What does Bunny do?
Bro,
Oh,
Bro, how do you not know what they do?
Kanina, you smart.
are you intellectual?